Hello, hello! Welcome to my week 6 weigh-in with Weight Watchers Freestyle, and I'm just going to share briefly about my week, and this will be a quick and short video for you all. I met out with friends quite a few times this week and ended up eating out, which I am finding is kind of challenging. It seems like points go fast when you're trying to track food where you're eating at a restaurant and you can't really be sure what is in there. So I ended up this week using all of my weeklies. And I ate out at the Cheesecake Factory and actually had a half a slice of cheesecake. So that was exciting for me. Definitely a treat. And I did really feel kind of yucky the next day because on Weight Watchers, you don't end up eating a lot of things with sugar in them just because the points are high. So I haven't really been eating much sugar, and I don't really like eating sugar anyway unless it's natural fruits or and I use stevia and stuff like that. So I ended up feeling kind of yucky the next day. So I had to decide in my head, like, was it worth the cheesecake? I don't know. It was pretty good. Cheesecake Factory cheesecake is amazing. So had a half a piece. That was amazing. So on top of that, this was the week before my period, TMI, sorry, but people need to know, because I guess that can fluctuate how you lose. But with all that being said, I still lost 0.9 pounds on week 6, and so that is awesome. I am down 12 pounds total and excited to see what this next week brings. So just a quick little update for you guys. If you're following, please feel free to check out my videos before, and I've been checking in weekly and sometimes giving gluten-free tips and other tips to eat natural and healthy while doing Weight Watchers. And next week, my Young Living team and I are going to do a 5-day nutritive cleanse. So I will be doing updates on that as well. So I'm kind of curious to track the points on that and see if it increases the weight loss or anything. It's really more of a detox cleanse that's putting a lot of nutrients in your body. So the weight loss is not the ultimate goal, but I have heard people lose weight on it. So I'm hoping it will at least just continue and flow very well with my Weight Watchers. But that's 5 days of next week starting on Monday. So alrighty, thanks guys, bye.